unless and until we confront the existential threat of climate change. Our climate action agenda is informed by the sad reality that our country's future remains under threat until we restore our degraded ecosystems, including forests, rivers, and wetlands. We must therefore remain committed to confront this existential challenge and do it head-on. It is imperative for us to prioritize environmental conservation efforts and implement aggressive reforestation and wetland restoration programs. Scientific evidence indicates that restoring our natural habitats is our best defense against escalating weather extremes. To this end, I urge you, fellow citizens, to sustain and intensify your positive response to the ecosystem restoration agenda, which aims to grow 15 billion trees nationwide within the next 10 years. This year's program on climate action agenda will be made public in the coming days.